We've got some exciting news here at Blacker Hall Farm Shop. We're currently recruiting for a brand new position for a full-time maintenance manager. Watch our video and find out more information.
Maintenance manager, somebody who will look after the whole site. On a day-to-day basis, this will involve looking after all of the equipment, the buildings. We want to really get onto a programme of preventative maintenance to try and cut down the number of emergencies, the number of breakdowns that happen. We've got some of the equipment running 24 hours a day, so it's absolutely crucial that it all keeps working. We've got lots of people working in production. They need everything they need needs to be functioning well, needs to be fit for purpose.
Our new site manager, we just need somebody who's really approachable, somebody that we can go, that can help us get our marketing out to the customers, so someone that can help us put signs up and do little odd jobs.
Somebody that's reliable, organised and can maintain our machines for us.
It's somebody who is approachable, friendly, positive, someone that I can go to with any odd jobs around the site, who can help me enhance the customer experience and look after maintaining the site as a whole.
Well skilled, a good problem solver and a good eye for maintenance.
We're looking for somebody who's really meticulous, somebody who's diligent, somebody who can keep a close eye on things. They might even come from a trade and be looking for a new challenge, but somebody who's got some experience of electrical, plumbing, mechanical things, even some building work. It's a really, really broad scope. We've got a great support team at Blacker Hall with people who look after the fridges, people who look after the electrics and things like that, but it's having somebody on site with some experience and some knowledge, that's what we're looking for. If you want to apply for the role, drop us a line at Blacker Hall, tell us about your experience, tell us why you'd love to have a look at this job and tell us why you'd be interested in knowing more about it.
Please send your details on an email to recruitment@blackerhall.com. Now let's find out more about what it's like to work at Blacker Hall.
The best decision I ever made.
Develop new skills.
Just a great range of stuff that we do. Everybody gets on with everybody. It's just a good place to work. I really enjoy it.
The support and the family feel you receive from working here is phenomenal. Everybody is with you 100% of the way.
Really nice team members, really good benefits of the job as well. It's just a really nice environment. It's really nice to use the local produce and our own produce, and it makes you really proud to work here.
I really enjoy butchery, everything about it, to be honest. I love the fact that we've got our own farm and we source our own meat.
We've got a good team and they're all really helpful, friendly, and we strive to do as much as we possibly can for our customers.
What I enjoy most is just the great range of stuff that we do and the fact they're open to new ideas and fresh ideas.